Okay, so market at open was very consolidation. Yep, it was consolidating. So I didn't really record that part, but got our levels marked out. I'm gonna go ahead. Honestly, what it looks like it's doing right now. So we take a peek. Oh, there we go. If we take a peek, looks like we're coming into a 5 minute gap right here. We obviously took out, London highs during our pre-market. Oh, no, we didn't. No, right at open, we came in, take those out. But then we started, going up and down, up and down, up and down. But we already came in and took out Asia lows on right here because, we have London open right here, and London low right there. Um, we already took out Asian lows. Honestly, what I'm looking for here is either this gap get inversed by the 5 minute, which honestly has not done that yet. But we do have another 5 gap right here going down. So if we get down candles out of all this right here, I'll go short. If we break structure, depending on which side we break structure to, I'm calling it. But right now, it's looking like if we come up, boom, we're in the gap right now. There's another 1 minute, and it looked like this rejected off of it to come up here. But we needed to, honestly, we just needed to rip up right there, break that. We broke this 1 minute structure here. So now we're just looking for, either looking for this to break the 5 minute down or up. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Um, very, very up and down right now. Um, kind of forgot to check news. So, uh, go ahead and do that real quick. Oh, we had CPI, PPI come out, or PPI come out. PPI come out. Oh, and yep, it looks like we're gonna target some of these lows, but we're gonna wait until I get break of structure here on this downside or to the upside. Because it wouldn't be, honestly, the longs don't look too bad just because how stacked these highs are. It was hourly high, hourly high, hourly high, hourly high, hourly high, hourly high. Like honestly, just because how stacked these are doesn't look like it's too bad. But honestly, for a Friday, it just looks too like I need volume for that. So these lows are probably the best call to go to, in my opinion, just on the day. Because if we make a down candle, we have another hourly high here. So then that's what right now we're just into this hourly candle. So I'm pretty confident we're gonna make moves down. I definitely want that breaking structure here. Mm. S&P. Okay. So the S&P has not come down to these lows. Nas has. Nas has already taken out some of these lows right here. S&P hasn't. So yeah, honestly, I'm looking to go short. This is gonna be a quick one because if we come above these highs, I'm off. But if we can break down here, that'd be perfect. Yeah, we gotta be patient. Just wait a little bit. I hate when the market looks like this. This is just like sometimes like I don't even know why. Like I should probably not be trading that, but well these 15 minutes are kind of stacked right here. Low, low, and then low. So yeah, I wouldn't be mad if we go lower. Oh, hold on. Hold on. What up? What up? Want to say hi to the video? Want to say hi to the video? What up? What up? What up, big guy? We got that little guy over there. Got Saint Vader. They don't like when I trade because they know I have to stay here for a little longer than usual before we go on our walks. But once I get in, I'm gonna go take them, and then I'll update you guys on what happens after. Because I'll probably get in, I'll show you where I'm going, then I'll call it. So, and then we'll see what happens in profits and not profit. Get stopped out. This guy. Come on. What? Hmm. Big stretch. Yes, that's a big stretch. Yep. Jamal. Hmm. 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 You guys are gonna give me good luck, yeah? We're gonna we're gonna smack take profits. Come on. Oh, relax. You're fine, buddy. You're fine. Just give me a sec. Come on. There we go. We close out of it. Can we close out of it? Come on. Um, oh, yes, I know. Yes, we can go out in a little bit. Give me a sec. All right, give me a sec. Okay, that's what I like. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Oh, don't do that. Legs don't fit. Don't do that. Come on. All right, we're getting in. I'm gonna get in. I'm risking low here. That's how choppy market is. We're getting in. I'm gonna target these lows up. See what might look highs. Honestly, we can probably target these ones too. Should just might. Don't do that on the bed. Off my bed. Oh yeah. I'm gonna target those ones. Go for a big play here. Alright, I'm gonna be back. You guys see where I'm at. You see where I'm targeting. I'll update you guys when I get back. I'm gonna go take this boy out. So, yeah, I'll see how this plays out real quick. Yeah, I'll be back. Well, I'm back, and it looks like we are not in profit anymore. We were, now we're not. So honestly, looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Um, might break 5 minute structure and move to the upside, honestly. High, high. Yeah, if I get stopped out here, done. Um, not too much of a loss, honestly. That's why I ran short, tight stop loss, but didn't risk that much. But, we're still live in a trade, so we'll see how it plays out. I mean, we can always drop back down, so see where we're at though. Just market was just choppy. We had PPI news come out today, so that's why it looked like this. Um, but yeah, honestly, just kind of waiting to see if anything does happen. But right now, it looks like we're just moving to the highs. So just be patient, just kind of wait it out. Um, looks like we're gonna be a long time here, so I'll just kind of update it when something looks like it's happening, either stop or I'm getting close to take profit or I'm in profit. But I'll let it ride out for another minute or so, and then I'll probably cut it and then bring it back to what happened during the trade. So, I don't want to bore you guys with just sitting here through watching this whole chart. I have to deal with that. You guys don't. So, yeah, pick it back up in a little bit. Looks like I moved my stop loss from this low to this low. Just because how my market's looking. I don't want to sit and wait for that long, honestly. Um, but I'm just being patient. Honestly, right here we came back up. I believe we tapped into a gap, and then we're making more moves down. Haven't moved stop loss at all. Still 1.5 risk to reward. Just currently just waiting for these lows to get taken out. Like right there, honestly, but not even right there. So just waiting for these lows to get taken out. And yeah, hopefully we hit TP right here and I'm able to get out of this trade. But I'm gonna still be patient, just wait a little bit longer. Um, unless we come out and rip it right down. And if we do, great, because yes, I'm happy on the day. But still being patient, just jotting my trades down from yesterday. But we're just gonna be patient and see what market does here. See how we're looking. Honestly, I thought we were gonna rip back up around this because we had, a low here and then a low here, and then we had inversed gaps and more gaps tapped into, but honestly, it just looked like a retracement. But I'm just being patient and waiting. Hopefully, we can come out and take out Tokyo lows. And if we do come all the way back up here again, I'm just gonna be patient and wait. Honestly, right now, looking at it, I think I just might move stop loss to break even. I did risk one lot, so I can't even secure profits, but I risked really low because this market was just looking very ugly today. So move, move stop loss into profit just a little bit, um, just so we're safe. Because sometimes it wicks out and still gives me no, like I still lost on the day. So if it does wick out, at least we get stopped out in profit and maybe make some sense. But still pretty confident on, hitting full TP. It looked like we were coming down for the day after that breakout to the downside after we were consolidating for probably, I think it was about an hour in the market, all the way from here. Yeah, it was about 2 hours, an hour and a half maybe. At 11, we actually started making moves. Well, yeah, we started making moves down around 10:50 after they kept coming up into this area. Boom, boom, boom. And then we finally break this structure here. And I think that's what caused everybody to move down. So, still gonna be patient. Just wait. Hopefully we hit full TP. Hmm. Let's see what we're looking like. Currently up in profit at the moment, about 105 right now. So, oh yes, I know. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. I'll go get you some dog food. I don't have dog food. They ate it all last night. So this guy's like, bro, where's breakfast at? Where's breakfast at? Sorry, buddy, you get brunch. I have to get brunch. All right. But you had a big breakfast yesterday, so or big dinner last night, so you should be good. You're good, buddy. He's just a needy guy. He's a fat boy. He's a little fat boy. He's a young puppers. So this is Saint, guys. He's about 1 years old, you know, about 14 months. No, I'm wrong. I'm incorrect. Incorrect. Um, okay, okay. He turns 2 in August, if that makes sense. Honestly, I don't want to do the math. I can't do the math right now. But he turns 2 in August. So that'd be, oh, that'd be sick. That'd be sick if we just like, just made a little bit more movement down. Just come down, grab those lows, please. Just come down, grab those lows, please. I said, please. Right, don't make me pull out Elon. Actually, no. Elon's for Elon's for longs. You need different for shorts. You need different for short. What do we wanna what do we wanna do? Um, nah, none of those. Why does it not pop up? I don't like that. It used to pop up. The magnet used to pop up. It's kind of messed up now. Do this one up. Yes. Yes. This might work. Hold on. This is a strat. This is a strat. I heard it was a strat. So we're gonna try it. Come on. Mm. Gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. Yeah, honestly, if I kept this thing recording like fully, y'all would have been sitting here for a minute because I sure have. Come on. And we're ripping down, yep. Come on, go to the magnet. Calling you, buddy. They're just calling you. Bro, where the market gods, bro? Where the market gods at? Still got some time. Some market closing. We got about 3 hours. So we're chilling stuff. Chilling. We're chilling, man. We're chilling. I'm chilling. Buddy, this guy. Really big. I'm, I'm, we moving down. Oh my gosh. Come on. See if we pitch it. You guys haven't yet. Go ahead to Instagram. JMTR.ENBZZ. I'll be posting on there soon. I haven't uploaded nothing because I'm just building a butt ton of graphs. Graphs, yep. Butt ton of drafts. So hopefully that gets into play. We're gonna get that into play going probably February. So in a few days, it's gonna boom, upload, 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 upload. I'll see something. Come on, go to your magnet. No, you wants to. Come on. No, you wants to. My forearm hurts. We sparred yesterday with the boys. No, we were sparring yesterday with the boys. I got kicked right in the head. As I went to go block it, this shin just, oh my gosh, did I feel that one. But nah, the homie Nick got me with two crazy head kicks. I was like this, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. We were fighting, ba ba ba. And as I went, I hit him with a jab. As I'm bringing it back, hit him with a jab. I see his kick come. But I went here because I thought he was throwing a body kick. Because I was like, oh, he's throwing a body kick. As I leaned, that's long old leg just right in my dome. Boom. I was like, ooh, I got me. Same thing. He did it again, but this time to the other side. This time I did go for the head, but I was just too late. His foot hooked it, and it got me in the head. I blocked his leg, but his foot got me. I was like, boom. As the foot came up, I was here. I leaned in to like, sleeper block it. As I went to sleeper block, my hands didn't get up fast enough here because I threw the two and I seen the kick coming as I was throwing the uppercut. I was here. As I was throwing it, I seen the kick coming. So I connected, but I was also like blocking. So he came, boom, and I was just too late and his foot hooked and went right on the top of my head. I was like, oh. Like, those are the two kicks that really got me. But no, yeah, we had a great sparring session yesterday. And honestly, like doing MMA has taught me so much with, trading and in life. So honestly, if you're out there and you want to get into it, just get into it. There's nothing holding you back besides yourself. So just go out, do that if that's something you want to do. It's great workout, great fitness. I've actually lost a lot of weight. I used to weigh around 245. Um, back when I was playing middle linebacker, uh, playing college ball and stuff at Ottawa, and dropped down to 225 because that's what they wanted me to be at. So I was in that range of 245 or 225 and 245 in that range. And honestly, after I stopped playing ball, I was like, you know what? I see all these NFL players once they start playing ball, like stop playing ball, they lose all this weight that they had. And it's kind of crazy to see like how much weight I've lost just doing MMA and consistently staying active and running and doing all that stuff without really having to put my body into like the football atmosphere, I guess. I guess me taking hits and constantly how I was lifting like made me that way, which is kind of crazy science to think about. Like all these NFL players, that are 300 plus pounds are probably like 5% body fat, um, and stuff like that, and they just lose it. So it's so wild to me. Um, but yeah, kind of crazy to see myself now from when I was playing ball and how much like lighter I feel on my feet and on my knees, and I'm not having I used to have really bad like tendonitis. My tendonitis is pretty much gone. I really haven't felt it. The only time I do feel it is when I felt it. The only time I do feel it is when I'm like blocking or checking a leg kick, and that's like after because I think it's just sore. But after like I'll go to check leg kick. Ooh. I'll go to check a leg kick, and as I come up, I'm here, and their shin sometimes connect with right on my knee. Boom. Okay, I'm sorry, but I can't get you dog food right now. All right, I'll get you something in a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of crazy to see how your body can morph how you want it to look and morph if you just put in the work, take your time, and give yourself patience. That's all that matters. You're investing in your body when you're going to the gym and working out. You're not, it's not like, it's not a day trade. You're not going to get it in hours. All right, buddy, hold on. Gosh, this guy interrupted me. Uh, I will feed you, I promise. You're not starving. You're not starving. Your brother's not crying. You're the only one crying. Your brother knows he ate last night. You ate last night. You guys, I gave you guys literally 2 cups of food, man. 2 cups. You guys are good. And I'm going to feed you right now anyways. He's my babies, so gotta treat him right. But oh my God, can we just hit TP, please? It's just like teasing me right now. It is teasing me. Just snag these lows and get out. You can go up. Just snag these lows and get out. But yeah, man, you guys are looking at, change your body and you're not liking how you're looking because that's how I felt. I was like, I don't like how my body looks right now. I want to change it. I just ate right, ran, did a lot more cardio, track your macros, find your calorie deficit, and that's the big thing, is calorie deficit, man. If you can find that difference of, all right, I'm burning this much and eating this much, really look at what you're eating at and actually track your workout and you'll see some changes, man. You'll see some changes. So I hope this helps a bunch of people and I hope this can work out for you guys and change your guys' life and boom, just like that. Trade is complete. I'm probably get off for the day. Not gonna look to trade anymore just because how market looked today. And it's a Friday, so there's no need to. Today, 136.95 cents. That was a profit take. See where we are on the week. We're up currently about 240 on the week. Um, this month though we are down, so I will say that this month was pretty rough coming in, but we're ending it. Monday we kick off a new month, my birthday month. Oh, yep, yep, yep. I'm gonna get lit. So not really. I'm not a really big drinker or partier. Probably go do it. Oh, voice crack. Probably go probably go to a winery on my birthday. Honestly, I love wine tasting. But yeah, um, that's gonna be it. Nothing crazy. So I'm gonna get right. I'm gonna do a little back testing for this upcoming month just to see how it's looking. Uh, yeah. So I'll probably catch you guys Monday. There will be a vlog out this weekend. So yeah, deuces. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. If you don't, you don't. If you just enjoy liking, watching the videos, at least leave a like. Comment if you guys wanna, see how I got involved into this, and you know, I can help you guys out with that. So, if you guys see this, love y'all. God bless, man.